Study the diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix कौन पढ़ेगा? Diagonal matrix means it also the square matrix and diagonal elements are present other than diagonal elements are zeros. That means first we know the what is diagonal of a matrix. A B C D E F G H I. This is the matrix of order 3 by 3. In diagonal means this elements known as diagonal elements of the matrix of order 3 by 3. This diagonal matrix also known as principal diagonal are also called leading diagonal. This is the diagonal elements first, then known the diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix को now the matrix having other than principal diagonal other elements are zeros. That means A 0 0 0 E 0 0 0 I. This is the examples of diagonal matrix. Other than diagonal elements, other elements of a matrix will be 0. This is 0 0 0. This is 0 0 0. So the condition is other than diagonal elements, all elements of a matrix will be 0. Then the matrix is called diagonal matrix. Now write the definitions of diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if except leading diagonal other elements are zero. That is a matrix equal to 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. This is the examples of diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3. Now study the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means it also a square matrix and its diagonal are same. But diagonal matrix रे diagonal elements are different. But in the case of scalar matrix, only diagonal elements are same. So the now definition will be a square matrix A is called a scalar if the diagonal elements are same. That is a matrix equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Here the diagonal elements, only the diagonal elements are same. principal diagonal elements are always same, then the matrix is called scalar matrix of order, that is 3 by 3. Also order 2, A matrix equal B matrix equal to 2 0 0 2. This is also the examples of scalar matrix. Examples of scalar matrix. Now study the identity matrix. Identity matrix, that means a square matrix is said to be an identity matrix. A square matrix identity matrix if all the diagonal elements are unit, that is ones, so that this matrix is the identity matrix, that is A matrix equal to 1 0 0 1. This is the examples of unit matrix, that is the unit place 1, the diagonal place is 1. Also B the matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. This is the order 2 by 2. So here the principal diagonal elements are always 1, then the matrix is known as identity matrix. Then we discuss about the algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices re we can discuss about addition of matrix, subtraction and multiplication of matrix. Now discuss the addition of matrix. If the two matrix having same order, then matrix additions, the matrix, if the two matrix having same order, then addition will possible. Addition will be possible. A matrix have m by n order and B matrix will be p by q order matrix if number of rows of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix and number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of columns of second matrix. That means m equal to p and n equal to p, then matrix addition will be possible. That is, examples taking 1 2 3 3 4 6 and B matrix, this is the order of A matrix will be the order of 2 by 3 and B also matrix of 2 by 3, then matrix addition will possible. It is 0 1 4 2 3 2. This is also the matrix of order 2 by 3. So matrix addition will be possible due to the condition is our order is same. This is the order of 2 by 3. This is the order of 2 by 3. So that A matrix will be the order of 2 by 3 and B matrix will the order of 2 by 3. So the addition is possible. And 1 2 3 3 4 6 plus 0 1 4 2 3 2 by 3, and addition will be happens respective element with respective elements, that is 1 added with 0, 2 added with 1 and 3 will be added with 4. Similarly 3 added with 2, 4 added with 3 and 6 added with 2. A respective element with added with respective elements, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus similarly second row added with second row, so 3 plus 2, that is 5, 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, also the order of 2 by 3. This is the additions of two matrix. Similarly we can subtract sum of two matrix. Similarly subtraction of the matrix is, if subtraction will be possible same way, if the order of the matrix is same, then subtraction will be possible. If A matrix equal to 1 3 minus 1 2 4 0, and B matrix will be 2 1 3 2 1 3 and 0 2 1. A matrix having the order 2 by 3. Also B matrix will be 2 by 3. So that A subtraction B will be 1 3 minus 1 2 4 0 minus 2 1 3 0 2 1. Respective elements subtracted with the respective elements, 3 1 minus 1 3. Similarly 2 0 4 2 0 1 subtracted, so that 1 will be subtracted, A minus B will be, then A minus B will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4, 2 minus 0, that is 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1. This is the subtraction of two matrix. This is also the matrix of order 2 by 3. In the next class we have to study the equality of matrix matrices and multiplication of matrices.